Now we're going to learn how to support ideas from text. Finding evidence to support your text or central idea is an important part of writing paragraphs to describe things that you've read. Using the text that we just read, is the school day too long or too short? We're going to give examples of paragraphs written to argue both sides. The first step is to pick your idea or argument. The second step is to find support in the text for your idea or argument. The last step is to put it together as a paragraph. For our examples, we're going to do 2 paragraphs, one arguing each side. The topic sentences for each will be, there are many reasons the school day should be longer for American students, and there are many reasons the school day should be shorter for American students. First, we're going to look at the support in the text for the idea of making school days longer. Below are the supporting paragraphs for that central idea from the text. When looking at this, what we're going to do is pick out at least 3 supporting ideas that we can use in our paragraph. For our sample, I have picked these 3 ideas that we're going to directly use to support our central idea that the school day should be increased. Our topic sentence, there are many reasons the school day should be longer for American children. Our first support, the school calendar with its 6.5-hour day and 180-day year was designed for yesterday's farm economy and not for today's high-tech one. You'll see that that's taken exactly from the text, along with the sample from number 2 and the support for number 3. Your job now is to create a concluding sentence. A concluding sentence or conclusion should include all of the main idea or central idea that you've used in your topic sentence. So for our paragraph, our concluding sentence will be, in order to prepare American children to be successful and well educated, the school day should be increased to adapt to our changing world. That sentence includes many of our central ideas, and a reader could know exactly what our paragraph is about just by reading our conclusion. The next step is to produce the paragraph. A complete paragraph includes topic sentence, at least 3 supporting sentence, conclusion, and don't forget to indent the first sentence. Here is our paragraph put together. Exactly taken from the supports that we chose from the text, including our topic sentence, which you will see is included in the paragraph. And don't forget, include that indent when you write a full paragraph. Now we're going to look at the support from the same text with the central idea of making school days shorter. Here are the supporting sentences and paragraphs to support that idea. We have highlighted a few here, and we're going to use them when creating a paragraph to argue this side of the point. Topic sentence, there are many reasons the school day should be shorter for American children. And here are our supports that we've taken directly from the text. Now we're going to do the same thing in creating a conclusion, something that encompasses our whole central idea and creates a good ending to tie up the paragraph. For this paragraph, our last sentence is going to be, in order to raise healthy, well-rounded citizens, a shorter school day would allow students to develop fully academically, socially, and emotionally. Now putting these all together and remembering what is included in a full paragraph, our full paragraph looks like this, with the topic sentence in the front as part of the paragraph and our concluding sentence at the end also part of the paragraph. And don't forget that indent always goes at the beginning of a paragraph. Now it's your turn. For the next assignment, you are going to read a true story and come up with your own ideas and conclusions on what you think happened, and you're going to use the text to support those ideas. Remember, a complete paragraph includes the topic and the conclusion, and you'll be coming up with that with support directly from the text that we read.